Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to use these Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencils. They have a matte finish to them and they are a multi-usage pencil, and you can use them on your eyebrows, your eyes, your cheeks, your lips, anywhere on the face. So let's get started with the Total Taupe here in 508, and it is like a nice dark brown, and I'm going to use it to contour my face and also to line my eyelashes. And you can use a brush or your fingers, whatever works for you. I'm also going to use it to contour my lips. They are super blendable, and they have like a nice like cream texture, but they have like a matte finish to them. So you can see here that it blends really well. They're great for like traveling if you don't want to carry too many products with you, and these are multi-usage, so you can use them for anything on your face. So you can see here the contour I have created. Let's do the other side, but I'm going to use my fingers. This is basically what I'm drawing on my face. So definitely you get a quicker blended look with your fingers. I like to deepen this little area here. It's like drawing a beard. And a little bit on the temples. Okay, so this is my contour look. Let's see here. I'm going to use up and down tan, and I'm going to use that on my cheeks. Just gonna use my fingers. And it's going to just give me a nice color here. Add a little bit more. I'm going to use the same color I used for my cheek blush, and I'm going to apply that on the eyes here and really just blend it and spread it all over the eyelid. Gives me like a nice rosy tone on my eyelids. And next I'm going to use the Total Taupe that I use to contour my face. I'm going to use that right on the lash line, and this is going to give you more of a natural look. So remember, these are super blendable, I already used it on my cheeks. Now I'm using it on my eyes. And you can use an eyeliner brush to help wing out the product. Give it a nice soft wing look. Let's do a little bit underneath the eyes here, smoke it out. Just gonna use my fingers. And you can use this on your eyebrows if it's dark enough, but I don't have a darker color, so I already did my eyebrows for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to use Total Taupe, and I'm going to outline my lips with it. And then I'm going to fill it in with another color. And I'm going to fill it in with the Any Tangerine. And this is like a super bright orange color. Just want to use your fingers again. Blend it. I'm going to color in the outer corners here. It's going to just make the lips look a little bit more powder. It's just like a nice ombre lip look. I'm going to use completely sepia to tone out the orange a little bit. Alright, let's add some mascara. And you can change up the blush color if you like, and add a little bit of the Any Tangerine. Give your cheeks a little bit more color. Oh, and let's not forget to contour the nose. This is how I would usually contour my nose with powder. And I'm going to use a small brush and blend it in. Voila! Contoured nose. Voila, here's my look. Using these 4 artist color pencils, and I use the Total Taupe here on my contour and as my liner, and as my lip liner and my nose contour. And then I use the Any Tangerine here on my lips and also on the cheeks. And I used completely sepia here on the lips as well to blend it in, and a little bit here on the outer corners in the middle of my eyelids, and up and down tan on the eyes, and also a little bit on the cheeks as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a super quick and also very convenient way to bring along makeup that does not take a lot of space, and you can get super creative with these. They're super blendable, and remember, you can use them anywhere on the face. I'll catch you next time.